Ruth Erdeliova, Slovakia. I would like to say a big thank you on behalf of Slovakia to the European Association of Emergency Numbers for providing inspiration, networking opportunities and new tools to us to inform our public about 112 services, their potential and their life-saving capabilities, but also in helping us to interconnect with other rescue services and bringing us new ideas, new challenges and best practices that we can benefit from. In relation to the 112 services, we would really like to say that the initiative has widened our horizons, faced us with new challenges, but also brought new opportunities for us to develop services which have not been available in the past and will make emergency services more accessible to citizens in need. And I would also like to send a message to the decision makers at European level that what we would really appreciate having is a green paper summarizing best practices and the most valuable experiences in the context of 112 services development, but not only talking about 112 call taking and dispatch, but also covering the integrated emergency response and the various routes individual countries have taken to address issues that it brings up. And also on the interface between 112 services, emergency management and civil protection, because those are the main building blocks that we're trying to build our own national security strategy upon. Thank you.